Welcome to another episode of Fanatic Lifestyle, where we enjoy family, food, fashion, travel, and of course fast cars. Backed by popular demand, we said we were only going to do one food video a week, which is on Sundays, but this was looking too good to pass up to share. So we have some chicken cutlets here that are going to be pan fried with some canola oil. They were pounded nice and flat. Got some Panko breadcrumbs on there with a little egg wash. We have some red beans going. And then we also have, well, this is how we steam out the rice with a little foil. Ouch, just burned up myself. But we got that going. So this will be a short. Don't know what we're gonna eat with it yet. Maybe the avocados we had from yesterday. Maybe not the rest of the salad, but just wanted to give you guys a quick look. I'm gonna leave the camera so that wifey can show you the frying process, and we'll do a little short video on tonight's dinner. Stay tuned, guys.
Guys, he got me again to explain the video of how I did my chicken. So this is 2 chicken breasts, and I thinly sliced them, and then I pounded them, and then once they were nice and thin, the right consistency, I sprinkled it with kosher salt to sweat it out. You want all the water out of it, and let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. While it sat, I beat up 3 eggs in one bowl, some panko in another, and a little bit of flour in another. And in the flour, I just put some garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and some all-purpose seasoning. After the chicken has been sweated out, you'll be able to look at the chicken and you'll see all this water on it. I just take paper towel and I dab the excess salt off, getting all the water, dry it all out. Then I go into my flour, then the egg wash, then the panko, and now you're just sitting it here to let it rest. It's been resting for about 15 minutes, and you're gonna pan fry this in a shallow amount of oil until it's brown on both sides. It's gonna go pretty quick because they're so thin. My oil is heated. You can see I don't have a lot of oil in the pan because this is not a deep fry. This is just a pan fry. And we're just gonna take them. At this point, you can see the panko is adhered to the chicken. It's not really falling off. You just lay it gently. I only do 2 pieces at a time. You don't want to crowd the pot. And that's gonna cook slowly. My fire is on medium because I want this to cook on the inside first before it browns on the outside. So it's nice and slow. I'll check it in a few minutes and then we'll flip it. How you want it to look when you flip it. Gonna let that go for a few minutes and then repeat the process with the second batch. The 2 that are finished, draining that on a paper towel, put 2 more in and 2 more to go. Keep you guys posted on my progress. Got it, guys. Golden, crispy. Hope you enjoyed this short video. If you want an additional video showcasing how I did this from beginning to end, drop a comment. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll make that happen.
Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. So here you go, the finished product. Tonight's dinner. It's gonna be a little bit of a short video. We're gonna do one food video a week. So here you go, the finished product. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. So here you go, the finished product. Tonight's dinner. It's gonna be a little bit of a short video. We're gonna do one food video a week. So here you go, the finished product. feast entails some red beans and rice with our pounded out chicken breast and avocado. So you guys like the content, let us know, we'll make more. Remember, like and subscribe, it helps the algorithm. Also remember, it's not a lifestyle unless you're fanatic. I'm gonna enjoy this dinner. Peace and love.